Imagine a machine that once you start it, it keeps doing its work endlessly. A machine with zero energy input, but some energy output or storage, meaning it would need no outside source of energy to keep it moving, such as batteries, solar power, or constant feed of electricity. I'm talking about perpetual motion machines. Look around you. How many machines do you see? Imagine the possibilities and extent to which humans can benefit from these machines. On a big scale, imagine a windmill that produces infinite free energy, or a car that you can drive forever without fuel, or a smartphone that works endlessly without having to charge it. Imagine those Fortnite marathons on those perpetual phones. I bet you would want one of those perpetual machines so bad because of it. But there's a problem. The machines are not possible. Why? Well, physics. See, many versions of the machines have been designed throughout history, but none of them ever worked. I'm going to try making this complex reason of why they don't work very simple by using a Newton's Cradle. Think this as a perpetual machine, which behaves with physics just like any machine would. It has a series of metal balls all touching each other, and it's also in contact with the environment. Here, I take initial energy to start the machine, and you see that because of the energy that I put in, first ball transfers its energy all the way down to the last, and the last ball swings the same energy back to the first, and swinging motion keeps happening back and forth. And although it seems that this motion will go on forever, it's not going to. When passing energy back and forth, the balls touch each other and create friction. The balls are also in contact with the air molecules, and that also creates friction. Through those frictions, the energy from the ball will spread out of the machine, slowly into the environment, causing it to lose its energy over time. To overcome this problem, the swinging motion of balls would have to create more energy than the one put in to keep the flow moving. It cannot do that either, because in physics, you cannot make more energy than the one you or any outside source puts in. The motion cannot produce constant energy. Just like we humans need constant food and water to survive, the machines need constant outside energy source for them to survive. Any machine has to get constant energy from somewhere, such as from electricity, to survive. And I know physics has made it impossible for us to have perpetual phones, but don't just give up yet. You see, there's never a no in science, and we haven't discovered a lot in science. There was a time once where the Earth was believed to be in the center of the universe. So let's keep our efforts for making perpetual machine perpetual.